Hi, are you approaching retirement or maybe already in retirement and looking for opportunities to earn some extra income and stay engaged and productive? Something where you can work when you want, from where you want, an hour or two a day on your schedule? If that's the case, let me show you a way you can do that as a currency trader, where you won't cramp your retirement lifestyle, but you will be able to earn extra spending money to be able to engage in more fun activities while you're retired, trading an hour or two a day when you want from the comfort of your home. Stay with me a few minutes and I'm going to show you how currency trading works and how through trading you can accomplish those goals. Hello, my name is Paul McMahon and I'm a currency trader and Chief Operating Director at Forensic Smart Trade. I'm also a former Maryland CPA, university professor of accounting, and worked at Boston University and Babson College. I'm also an entrepreneur who has worked on projects with the likes of billionaire and Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban, and have engaged in ventures that have made millions of dollars. In my story, I wasn't quite ready to retire, but I was looking to step back and slow down, while still earning a significant professional income. And a few years back, I was introduced to currency trading. And I have to admit, before I started, I was more than a bit skeptical. First, although I was involved in accounting and finance, I never really knew you could trade currency. And second, what was presented to me sounded a little too good to be true. And we all know what you should do when something sounds a little too good to be true, right? Run the other way. Well, I thoroughly tested it out, and as it turns out, it was what was explained to me. So, fast forward a little bit, I've been trading now almost 3 years, and it's been terrific. And it's been one of those things where I like trading so much, just like a good movie or a meal at a restaurant, I want to share it with others so they can enjoy the good experience too. And I've always found we get more by giving, so that's what I'm trying to do here today with you. What I'm going to do now is show you a trade with one of our signals. There are more than a dozen signals. On this signal, what I'm going to be basically trying to do is get the lines on the chart to line up. And when they do, we have a good trade. So let's take a look. Hey, Paul here. These are our indicators. It looks a little bit overwhelming. Right now we're looking at a pair of the euro-dollar. So Europe has a currency, dollar has a currency, and there's an exchange rate between them. Whatever's first, here the euro is first, so 1 euro equals $1.18. This amount fluctuates every day by a little bit. Goes up, goes down. Our indicators are great at catching when those turns are and letting us run with the turn until it turns again. I can't go over everything to kind of give you confidence at this point. That's why I need you to go to the webinar. But basically, when all of these lines line up, we've got a good trade. This bottom part is what we call the pressure. This middle part is what we call the majors and minors. This top part is what we call the TNTs. So right now, I got kind of down pressure here, sideways on the majors here, the two orange lines going down. Blue is inversely related. So when blue is going up, that means down. But I don't have clarity on all of these. So let's move forward and see if I can see a situation where they're all lining up in one direction. Oh, if we take a look here, the green is popped up. The green here has changed slope. The orange line has changed slope. So to me, that's starting to say, hey, something's about to happen. Let's see what happens next hour. They're still not all going the same direction. All right, this hour they are. Two orange lines are going up. Dotted blue is coming down. That means up. These green majors are going up. Minors are going up. My pressure is going up. Let's go ahead and take a trade. I am going to mark it here. And then let's keep following the indicator. Orange line still going up. Blue line still going down. My red and green line going up. Pressure going up. Still good. Let's keep going till we get a signal that it's about to change. Orange line is flattened out. That's okay, as long as it stays up there and doesn't start coming down. Thin orange is going up. Two greens are going up. Black and gray going up. The pressure is going up. Let's keep riding it. Another hour.
Everybody's still going up. Another hour. Everybody's still going up. Another hour. Oh, my orange line has changed. I'm going to sell right now. And during this time, I have made roughly 39 pips. 39 pips if I'm trading an account that has $10,000 in it. I'm trading a lot size of 1. So that would roughly mean that I made $390 in the course of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. 390 in 5 hours. Let's go forward one more hour and see what happens. Oh, it's starting to come down. Starting to come down. So anyways, basically all we're trying to do is get all the lines to line up. Once they do, we're going to take a trade. Watch the webinar. I need you to go to the webinar because we're going to spend a little bit more time so that you can understand it, because I know I went through this really fast and you're like, well, I'm not seeing what's going on here. It's all right. Go to the webinar. We're going to get you taken care of. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Now, I know that was a bit fast. So what I'd like to do is extend an offer to you where you can check out our trading tools on your own and see if they're as good as we say they are. You'll see a couple buttons below. One is to a longer 20-minute webinar where there's a little bit more information about the program. The other is to start our 30-day introductory trial. It's a great trial that provides lots of value, where we charge a nominal fee, which we give to charity. The reason for the fee is a psychological thing. Studies have shown that when you pay for something, even if it's a small amount, which it is, you'll engage more and try harder. And we want you to give your best effort in seeing if trading in retirement might be for you and in evaluating us. The nominal fee also helps us weed out those who aren't quite as serious, as we have limited resources and are not able to help everyone. Now, in the beginning, I mentioned how currency trading could help you earn extra income in retirement. More cash means you can do more fun things and have less worry. For many entering retirement, one of the biggest worries is running out of cash. Learning to trade currency will help prevent that. For those who don't know, the currency market's also called Forex, and Forex is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with almost $8 trillion, that's a T, $8 trillion moving daily. The market's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, so there's always a good time to trade, and it's always morning somewhere. You only need a couple good trades per day, which can be done in an hour or two, and they can be done from anywhere you have a computer and an internet connection. Earning extra money through trading lets you be more comfortable. You won't need to worry about not having enough money. Trading is interesting work and will give you a purpose. Having a purpose in life extends life. You'll increase your satisfaction with life, and it'll help prevent boredom. Trading is meaningful and lets you feel productive and useful and helpful. Trading's flexible and it keeps you mentally active. And one of the best parts is that it allows you to interact with a group of people with common interests, because we're a community. You don't need to know anything about currency trading. We'll teach you everything you need to know. We've been teaching people how to successfully currency trade for over 13 years. During that time, we found that it's hard to learn currency trading on your own. So we've designed our program in a way that we've found that accelerates people's learning and understanding. It includes a combination of videos, group webinars, live trade webinars, and the piece that brings it all together is live, personalized, one-on-one training. It's that live remote training that's tailored to you at your speed, answering questions that come up when they come up, that make all the difference in being a successful. And it's because of that difference, a difference that lets you get it and be successful with it, that we provide a guarantee. And that guarantee is that once you've been trained, we'll let you trade with company money and split what you make. So your trading's risk-free to you. If you lose the money, it's our loss. You don't have to pay us back. Basically, we're giving you a interest-free loan to trade with. And we're not in the business of giving out loans that can't be repaid. So we're pretty confident that we can make you a good trader. You don't have to trade your funds. You can. Many of our traders do, but you don't need to. And in the beginning, until you have it down, I'd recommend that you just trade the company funds. So how good is that? We have a proprietary trading indicator, or tools, that have a long history of success. You'll be getting trained by experienced traders. As you get to know us, you'll see that we're very transparent in all we do, and we act with integrity. We have super positive reviews on Google. We have a Better Business Bureau A rating. We know what we're doing, and we do it very well. So I'd like to strongly encourage you to try our 30-day risk-free trial by clicking on the button below. You've got nothing to lose but a little bit of your time that you're going to put into evaluating if trading is in retirement's for you. If you need more information, attend the webinar. There's a button there. And if that hasn't answered your questions, call me direct. My mobile number is 781-839-0896, 781-839-0896, and it is below also. I look forward to working with you. My very best, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.